So I thought I'd see how I was doing with chin-ups without the band. And honestly, I barely got that 6th one in. So even though I could do a whole lot more with the band, I'm just at 6 still, which is okay, but it's a little harder out here and with those grips. I might try getting the step stool out that Dawn had started to bring out for me and go back to just holding onto the bar. Anyway, so I decided to do a 2nd set. So I got another 3, and then also the V-ups I usually do in a sequence after going inside and doing my pike push-ups. So after the 1st set of chin-ups, I did pike push-ups, and I thought, well, I'm band free today, may as well continue that trend. I only got to 3 after doing the 6 chin-ups and the V-ups, so of course that affected my pike push-up, and that was on those step stools. So I got down on the ground, and then I did another 6 more, so I got to my 9 to 10 that I've been doing. And anyway, so go back in now and do some rows and push-ups, and I think that's what Dawn has for me. I'll see. I might be off on my day about that, but anyway, just sharing the little bit of chin-up progress, or perhaps lack thereof. But anyway, also my weight has been going down, and I've been tracking it on the Hume app, so I can maybe do a separate video talking about that. But sometimes when the weight goes down, it also shows a decrease in the lean muscle mass, which I don't want, but you know, it is what it is. It's just an ongoing work in progress. I'm really mostly happy to get my weight back in the range that I prefer to be at, with the lower percent body fat. I think I'm at about 24, according to the Hume app, 0.1% body fat. I'll have to look at it. Anyway, more updates to come.
Don't try to get on the lower floor, don't push your knee out.
Push my knee up.
Yep. There you go.
Usually start on the right because the left is so shaky the first couple.
Push the knee out. Turn your torso a little bit this way. Yeah, there you go. Push your knee out. Knee out. Torso up. There you go. Your feet can be a little closer together. There you go, right there. Head up, torso up, turn a little bit to your left, right, I mean. Knee out, push the knee out. There you go.
Oh my God.
Knee out. There you go. And other side. Push the knee out. Turn to your right a little bit. There we go.